Alrighty, so for our lecture this week, we're going to continue our free code camp. And this is going to be the last assignment we do with the HTML. And it is a good one, but it definitely takes some time to get through. I did it myself, and it was like such a good reminder about things that we learn about working local. And it's kind of like we've already got you set up local, and now we're having you work out on the web where you can't benefit from that. But trust me, this is still good experience, okay? And so what you're going to do here in this after this assignment, depending on if there's something different, you may just see instruction and no overall video from me because these things are intended to become pretty, standardized what you're going to do. Here's an overview. You're going to do the CAP photo album. So over on pre-code camp, we're going to build that. You got to get through all the steps, all 42 steps, right? So you start getting used to that. You're going to resize it. You're going to add it to your HTML. Here's the instruction, which I have up, and then it goes through how it's graded. Okay. So if I look over here, right, so we're logging in, doing the 42 steps, taking a screenshot. Remember, you got to have your photo in there. I definitely recommend like pulling this out if you want and making this a bit smaller. It kind of just looks nicer, right? And it's a little more manageable as far as just the way the output goes. Now I actually might move this up. But again, you don't have to get too crazy with it. As long as I can clearly see your photo and take this print screen of all those steps complete. Okay. And then in here, oh, I'm on the instruction. After you take your print screen, resize it, give it a name, right? And so remember that we're going to place these all in your private repo, okay? Now, in my case, I have it open, right? So this is where I already have this open. I placed my week 3 in there. And now here's a key piece. Now, as I go ahead and open up and start up, now I've already started mine. That's why you see this. If I turned it off, then it would give me that go live again, and I would do that. But typically, when you see that, you should be just able to go and it will open up a new tab, and you just make sure once you've placed that in there that it worked. Okay. And then the last piece is you got to give me your commit history, right? And in this case, I think I only had to do one commit, right? So you just have to do one commit after you added that and update your HTML. Okay. Okay, cool. Just trying to think. I got to go check my instruction. I think I duplicated it by accident. Okay, give me your commit history URL for this one because that's the kind of assignment this one is. All right, talk to you later.